If you want to know how to import your Efsane official contract address into your MetaMask and also into your Bitget wallet, kindly watch this video to the end, and also do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. Here I'm on Bitget, and I'll be dropping the contract address right at the video description. So head over there and copy the contract address and the official contract address. Then after copying the contract address from the description of this video, then you have to head over to here. You come over here. Here I'm talking about the Bitget wallet. Alright. So after this Bitget wallet, I'll be heading straight to explain how to import it on the MetaMask. Alright. So after clicking on this section here, you click on it. After clicking on that, you head over here. You click on this little nugget over here. You click on it. Now you ensure that the network is in BNB, okay? Ensure the network is in BNB, because the Efsane contract address was built or deployed on BNB chain. So that's why you have to ensure that this is changed to BNB. Normally it is always, by default, it is always on Ethereum. So you have to click over there and make sure it's on BNB. So when you click over there, it has to be on BNB, okay? This little sign here has to be reflecting on BNB. If it is not, if it's reflecting on Ethereum, you have to just come over here and just tap on it so that it can show up on the BNB side, okay? So after clicking on that, you head over here. Alright, so let's just go back. After clicking here, okay, it's going to show you the list of tokens in your wallet. Alright, you can decide to either use two ways. The first way you're going to be using is to use here, okay, is to add it up here, okay. You just paste that contract address you copied right here, and you let it load. It has loaded automatically here. You can see that it has loaded automatically. The EFS has just loaded automatically. But if it doesn't load automatically, then you have to come here and still add it manually, okay? But if it loads automatically, fine, you can click on it. You just click on it. Now you can see that good sign that showed. It means that it has been added automatically, okay? Whenever it shows negative, it means if you click on that negative sign, it's going to be removed from the wallet. But if it shows positive, then which means it hasn't been added, you have to click on it again so that it can be added to the wallet. So now it's showing positive, it has been added automatically in the wallet, alright? But if it's a case that this doesn't pop up, ensure to use this to add it up here, okay? So what you have to do to add it up here is just to click on it, and then you just paste it here. Paste that contract address you copied right here, and then ensure that the token is on BNB chain. Then after ensuring it's on BNB chain, just as what I said earlier on, you now come here and paste the contract address. Then you click on confirm. It will be added automatically. Alright, it will be added automatically. So let's click on confirm for the sake of this video, and for the sake of being practical, let's just paste the token address right here again. Then we click on good, you click on confirm. Alright, now it has been added already. That is why you are seeing token added, and here we have the ESF. So we click on OK. We'll click on OK. It has been added automatically. Now if you want to see it, you just go back to your wallet, and you're going to be seeing it's going to be sitting right in your wallet. Okay, so when you scroll down a little bit, this is the token, okay? This is the token. Now it hasn't been listed. That is why you can't see any of this sign, alright? It hasn't been listed yet. When it's listed, it will now be tradable. Now it's showing 00. It is not showing this plus 003 here. It's showing 00. That's because it hasn't been listed, okay? So that is how you import your wallet in your Bitget wallet. That's how you import the contract address, the Efsane contract address, into your Bitget wallet. Alright, so let's go over to the next section on how to import it in So here is MetaMask. In order for you to import your Efsane token into your MetaMask, here as you can see, this is my Efsane token. I've already imported it. But in order to do the same thing, you have to come over here. It's the same way as we did in the previous video. The same way as we did in the Bitget wallet is to come over there and make sure that this network here is changed to BNB. It should be on BNB smart chain, okay? Normally it's always set on the Ethereum, but ensure that you change it up to BNB smart chain. All right, when you do that, when that is done, you now head over, you go back, and then you click on import. You now click here, you import the token directly. All right, we are going to be pasting that contract address here, still the same here. We are going to be posting it here, and if you post it there, if it doesn't show up on time, if it shows we couldn't find any token with that name, do not worry, just head over here and add it up. All right, when you head over there, you add it up. You just click here, you click on select network, turn it up to BNB smart chain. You turn it up to BNB smart chain. Here we have BNB smart chain here. Then after selecting BNB smart chain, we now paste the contract address directly here. All right, then after pasting that contract address, click on continue. All right, when you click on continue now, it's going to show token symbol can't be empty. Normally, whenever it shows that, it's always because of network. So you have to ensure that your network is stable. All right. So when you click on it, you have to load it up again. If it does the same thing. Now this token here has been added. Most times, if it does like this, that is because I've already added the token. But whenever you insert that contract address right here, it's going to show this. And when you click on next, it's going to add the token automatically to the wallet. Okay, it's going to add the token automatically to the wallet. It is now going to be showing this way. The token is now going to be showing up right here, just as it's showing here. It's going to be displaying right here. If you follow that procedure that I just showed you, okay, if you follow that procedure, ensure you click on here, import wallet first. All right, after clicking on import wallet first, you click on the custom section. Okay, you click on the custom section and you ensure that the network is on BNB smart chain. Then you paste your contract address right here. All right, when you paste your contract address, you now click on continue. All right, when you click on continue, this section here, this button here will be highlighted for you to click on next. Then after clicking on next, it's going to load up immediately. Okay, but if your MetaMask doesn't bring out the token, if you've tried and it doesn't bring out the token, the token in your wallet, then I'll suggest you use the Bitget wallet, following the instructions that I showed you before, in order for you to add your token successfully into your wallet. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, kindly ensure you like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.